Recruitment is something I've been wanting to get into for some time now. My yes has now turned me into starting my own recruitment business. There might be challenges, but working with Joe made it seem like the challenge is something to be expected, and he's there to help and support you to get over those hurdles. He made me feel so comfortable that, yes, you can do this. My own confidence told me I was going to do it. So now to be part of this business venture, I think it's an exciting path to take. I plan to take the business to my home country and do some recruiting over there as well, and just widening the sector internationally. I've worked in businesses outside of the home, and this is going to fit in with my son because he's got challenges, and this is something that he could also be part of and join the business, because working from home gives us the flexibility to choose our own hours. And where he might say, oh, Mom, I need to go out, then I can say, yeah, we can go. I don't have to be watching the clock. And our holidays become our holidays. It's not, can I have next week off? And the answer is no. I want next week off, I'm going. And that's what I like about it. So flexibility from working from home now is the way forward. And I think more and more you'll realize that the high street is becoming more of a ghost town. COVID taught us that we can stay indoors, and for some, it was an eye-opener because our mindset changed about the way we work. Many people are now working from home. So home business, yeah, I think it's the way to go.